Welcome aboard, Adrian and Erica Williams. I'm never leaving this room again because I couldn't find it. All right, here. Oh, there is the music. Oh, the bed right there. We are on here. Dang.
We want your
Ooh,
family to
interior.
relax while staying safe.
This is interior plus room.
Around the pool and other water attractions. Don't forget,
As soon as you walk in the room,
it's not like
Yeah, the bed is right here.
you are ready
downstairs.
for decadence. We are delighted to confirm your reservation for Williams Adrian and Erica.
Cautious with heavy and automatic
15
doors.
p.m.
Got a separate, ooh, separate little closet area.
You may have noticed the ship is pretty big.
Yes, the ship is pretty big.
This is the toilet.
Identifying any staircases you may
Yeah.
It's a nice interior room. What's the next closet?
Yeah.
You encounter a
Look at his
spill or drop something yourself. Please contact the crew member right away so we can get back to
Oh, okay.
everyone safe. It's always exciting when we're on board.
Yeah, toilet and everything.
Pay attention to crew members' instructions. We're leaving the ship or coming back on board.
This is pretty nice
You'll get special
interior room.
boat operations. Exercise caution.
We are now officially
Planning your excursions. Remaining aware and
been
unlearning your
in
surroundings.
interior room.
When it comes to excursions, always opt for reputable
Yeah, now
operators.
we can find the remote to turn the TV down. Oh yeah,
Last but not least, remember to be kind and courteous to your fellow
pretty
cruisers
nice.
during our voyage.
Interior room. Oh,
Sail and let the relaxation begin.
chef table. Yep, for tonight, our reservation.
You're sure to be a great cruiser who's anchored in
Excursion tickets in here.
Oh, got our excursion tickets.
Oh, right here.
Welcome
Oh,
aboard,
okay.
and thank you
I
for
didn't-
choosing to sail with us.
Didn't even see that.
Your safety
Oh,
is
they got a
our
remote right there.
Oh, yeah.
Please make sure you know
Yeah.
in the unlikely event of an onboard emergency.
Turn the
You can also
TV
find
down.
this information in several
They got
languages
they got it on
your
900.
Let me go to the restroom real quick.
Okay. Sorry for the wobble wobble, shake it. Yep. We are Stella status. But this is an interior plus. Actually, like I said earlier, actually pretty nice. Wow. Zoom out a little bit. Okay. Boom. Let's see. That.
Hey,
Oh, I'm sorry. Trying to figure this out.
I'm in the dark.
Trying to figure this all out. Okay.
I'm not scared, but
We got hangers right there. I'm sorry. We got a little lounge chair
with no light.
right here.
Still the bathroom with no lights on.
Oh, I'm sorry. Is it on?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Got a outlet right there and a USB port right there. Any other? You can carry this. Sit your feet around. That's the bathroom and the thermostat. On this side of the bed, there is no plugs. On this side of the bed, so pretty much only one plug. Oh, here go one right here on the side of the wall. Plug right there. So that's two plugs in here. Here go the main plugs and outlets, the European. The light switches. Okay. We're gonna be spending pretty much 8 days here. A closet with the safe, a refrigerator. You need laundry. Guessing that's the internet, Wi-Fi, and the speaker. If you need to hang your clothes. You got this book here about the Star of the Seas. all type of architecture stuff in the book. And this is Interior Plus room 111, excuse me, Interior Plus 11415, in the center of the front of the ship. So make sure you go to the center of floor 11 and you can find room 11415. If this was helpful, like, comment, and subscribe, and share.